Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Welcome, nice people. I'm Farhan Sidik, and I'm from English majority at Unipi. And right now, I wanna share about my presentation. The title is Psycholinguistics. The first, why do need to learn psycholinguistics? Okay, the the definition of psycholinguistics first. Psycholinguistics has provided numerous theories that explain how a person acquires a language, produce and perceive both spoken and written language. The theories have been used in the field of language teaching. Psycholinguistics also helps to explain the errors students do in the language. And why do we as English teacher candidate need to learn? Because psycholinguistics mainly helps teachers to consider the use of appropriate method to teach that for language skills. And this is part of brain. In our brain, four part and the function itself. First, the frontal lobes are responsible for problem solving and judgment and motor function. The second, the parietal lobes manage sensation and writing and body positions. Third, the temporal lobes are involved with memory and hearing. And last, the occipital lobes contain the brain's visual processing system. And what is the Broca aphasia? Okay, Broca aphasia. This is a non-fluent aphasia which causes individuals to speak slower. It occurs when the brain's frontal lobe suffers damage. And how about Wernicke aphasia? Wernicke aphasia, this is a fluent aphasia as this type of aphasia doesn't affect the speed of the individual's speech. Individuals with this type of aphasia have damage to their brain's temporal lobe. And the difference is non-fluent known as Broca aphasia and fluent known as Wernicke aphasia. And this is the theories of language learning. I prefer to Skinner's theory of behaviorism. All behavior is no more than a response to external stimuli, and there's no innate programming within a human being to learn a language at birth. Why I choose this theories? Because in his concept of what he called operant conditioning, language learning grew out of a process rein- of reinforcement and punishment, where the individuals are conditioned into saying the right thing. The last is, can we learn language without imitating? Can we learn language without imitating stage? Of course, yes, it can. Because when we learn something, it is more likely to replicate or imitate this. This applies at just a few age in our lives. Once we are able to produce something, we are able to produce something new, then longer imitate. Okay. Thank you for watching.